Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Lemorele USB Universal Serial Bus Hub. Ooh, it's a Lemorele 4-port USB 3.0 hub. That means here we come with one 3.0 USB area and 3 times of 2.0 USB areas. It's a nice splitter for our laptop, for our iMac, for our MacBook, for our Mac personal computer, U-disk, multi-port mini USB adapter expander. Ooh, with an aluminium shell. It's slim and portable. And it supports charging. Charging is supported. It's really easy. You have to dock in the wired cable to a USB plug socket. And then you're ready. After this, you make out of one USB port, you make 4 or additional 3. It's a USB hub expander. It supports synchronization status at blazing speed up to 5 gigabit per second with USB 3.0 port. It's fast enough to transfer an HD movie in seconds without waiting, fast and efficient. It supports charging our phones at the same time. Small, lightweight, but very powerful. We have this mini USB hub with 1 port for USB 3 and 3 ports for USB 2. We transform one of our laptop's USB ports into 4, perfectly solving the needs of multiple ports of or on our laptops in people's daily life at the office. This USB adapter works for USB 3.0 ports devices and also are backward compatible with USB 2.0. It's perfect for laptops, iMacs, for MacBooks, for MacBook Air, because there is not so much USB supply, for a Mac, for a notebook, personal computer, and as you can see, for our tablet. You can dock or use it, for example, for our mouse, keyboard, flash drives, and any other USB devices. And this USB data hub made out of aluminum alloy. Fine craftsmanship, rugged metal housing, protects against breakable, and is more durable than plastic. It provides excellent full protection of overcurrent, over voltage, overheating, and short circuit. You can see everything is supported. So you can use it to make additional USB slots on your personal computer available, for example. This is the Lemorele USB hub with a lot of stuff. OTG function supports easily realize data transfer between devices without a host. And it's plug and play. We does not need any driver or software. And built-in industrial-grade chipset. Highly stable, no interference with Wi-Fi signals. And aluminium alloy shell. Sky blue Max style, feels silky to the touch. Perfect for a MacBook Pro or Air, and of course for our iPad Pro, because it looks really cool. The cable length is 0.3 feet, pretty flexible and tear resistant. It protects the inner coil. It's super anti and interferences. These USB 4 USB A ports are only supports 5 voltage, but this is standard. Okay, 5 voltage is a standard in the backside of our USB areas, because USB will deliver us 5 volts, and this is enough to make a good and nice reloading or using these additional USB sockets. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon soon.